Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up alerts on Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and locate the Market Watch tab at the top. From there, click on the Alerts sub-tab to bring up the Alert Management screen. You will then see a Create Alert button. Click this to start building your custom alert. This initial step is crucial for monitoring your trades effectively. Next, you'll define the specific conditions for your alert. Start by entering the stock or option symbol you wish to track. Then, select the type of condition, like when the price crosses above or below a certain value. You can set a precise price, for example, $50 or a percentage change, such as a 2% move. This ensures your alert triggers exactly when your criteria are met. Now let's configure how you receive your alerts. Thinkorswim offers several notification options, including email, text message, or an audible sound. If you opt for email, make sure to enter your correct email address. You can also customize the alert sound or the message content, making it easy to distinguish between different alerts. This ensures you get timely information in your preferred format. Finally, it's time to review and activate your alert. Double-check all the conditions, symbols, and notification settings to confirm everything is correct. You can also set an expiration date for the alert or select Good till Canceled for ongoing monitoring. Once satisfied, click the Create or Activate button to enable your alert. You're now ready to receive timely notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.